August 9, right? I can try to make it to the wildlife center. About 9 miles away, babe. 4 plus or minus. So we'll have I'm saying a 10-12 mile hike today. 8? Okay. Well, this doesn't go to the beach. Maybe we go straight up here. It looked like it was access to the beach. It's only going to the tent. Yeah. I think maybe it's up here. I don't know. The bathhouse. Yep. It's gonna be hot. Oh, you can't. So there's shit. This is what this is, a movie set.
Yeah.
Because last time we were here, none of this was here. Oh. Okay, so you can't walk through and take pictures or anything.
You can't walk from this one all the way down, but you can walk out here, you know, and enjoy yourself.
Okay. They're shooting a movie, babe, and you can walk through there, but you can't take pictures or video. But this is where we came in before when they had the, you know, the parking lot and they had porta potties over there. But this is silly.
Must be for the crew.
This is one big operation. Look at this. Motion picture film trucks. Mixed Bag Productions. Man, they have all kind of stuff here, huh? Even. Yeah, this is where we came through. Parking J. Either way, let's go to the left. We just got to keep going straight. And that's the lagoon. Yeah, it did smell like a dead fish in that garbage can. Probably shrimp. Yeah, we just keep right on trucking straight. Yeah, this is where we were contemplating where to go, but we came back and went straight through the woods here. Is that the pathway through there? I think it is. Right through here. This is the palmetto tree forest. Man, the lagoon you can't see to the left. Mosquitoes are coming. Can't stop in here. This brings us back to the well-defined pathway. Yeah, and you can see the lagoon now on the left. Not good. Mosquitoes everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, the birds are whistling. On the purple trail. Pine trees or something now. Went from palmetto forest to pine tree forest. That's an oak tree right there. Back to the palmetto trees. Yeah. Still got the lagoon. Man, still got some oak trees there. More skinny pines, and there's some palm trees that mixed in with me. Workout resumed. Mushrooms. Okay.
0.7 miles.
That's not bad.
Oh,
Let's
my
go.
God.
Skeeters are bad.
Which one is it?
Still got the lagoon. Still swatting mosquitoes. That's a nice little walk by the lagoon in the forest with the skeeters biting us. Yeah. Man, that's a big stump.
That's the root of a tree.
Yes, it is. Oh man, the skeeters are bad. Look at the ocean. Trails. I think we're going to skip this boardwalk because of the mosquitoes right now, but that takes you across. Takes you across to the original boneyard where the houses were destroyed by hurricane. The mosquitoes are overruling our touring right now. We just want to get outside the woods, get some freedom from the attack of the mosquitoes. Catch up with her. She's not wasting time. Not waiting on me anyway. Well, it looks like we're coming out to civilization again. This must be the nature center. Yep. Kathy's been sprinting. Oh well. Okay. Some wonder birds. We decided not to do the St. Phillips at Turnerville Island. Well, come all the way down here and it's closed. Oh well. Alright. Let's take the trail the same way we came.
Which trail did you guys take here? The reading trail and by the water?
Yes.
Yeah, do you have bug spray?
No. Can we buy some? Or do you have some you can spray on us?
I actually do have some in my vehicle. Yeah, I was thinking like something with heat would sell you some, but there's not. We're just yeah, but I do have some bug spray you guys are purple. You totally get it.
Man, look at these birds. Bird, yeah. What's that, babe? Oh, a turtle. He is.
Where are you all from?
A snake? I was going to say, he didn't look very poisonous.
They're non-venomous.
Yeah.
Do you guys have water and everything?
You do. And does that drinking not work?
I think they shut it off because of COVID.
Just none. All these are non-poisonous in here.
Yeah.
He's hiding from you. There he is. What a pretty snake.
Two of them.
Oh my God.
Two of them. Yeah. You see there's 2 of them in there?
Yeah. See the other one underneath.
Oh, I see. Man, that's the long one. How often do you have to feed them?
I don't know. I don't really feed them. We have someone else who comes in here and takes care of them.
Oh.
Watch out, you're gonna get stuck. Don't get stuck.
How do you tell if they're where to grow?
It depends on the species. These guys, I think the male, you can tell by looking at their cloaca.
How are you doing? Looking good. I know, it's looking real good. This and then like I'll like spray this like on your shoes and like maybe like they use spray this on your face. Yeah, it's got Avon. Yeah, and it has sunscreen in it and it's like sweat proof, so that'll keep the mosquitoes and like the gnats and stuff. And then this machine, which it's not really good for you, but I honestly, because the mosquitoes are so bad here, like I just go ahead and spray it like a little bit, like on my stuff. But you can use as much as you want, please.
You gonna spray me down? Well, they were very nice park rangers. It ended up being 5 or 6 of them in there. Oh, she sprayed us down good, babe. We might survive to walk back now, but the bad news is there is no shortcut.
4.6 miles.
So I told you it's gonna be 10 or 12 miles round trip. Yours is always conservative. I started my counting late. Well, it was all closed up, but we did get to take a tour, courtesy of our friendly South Carolina park rangers.
And she gave us bug spray and cold water.
Well, not real cold water, but it was out the spigot. It was colder than what we had. All right, we can put the camera up now. I think it's over to the boneyard where some of the original cabins were here. They rented out long term. They were destroyed by the hurricane. There's nothing out there anymore. Yeah, I think if you go out, you got to come right back. Huh? No. So you just want to continue on. Okay. See if I can do this before my battery runs out, eh? Yeah, this breeze feels good. Man. Oh, there's the birdies. Were birds out there too? That's got to be a raccoon. Yeah. I can't zoom in more than that. Here comes it's a part of the turtle conservation project. Yeah. All right, let's go see where the remains are. Bridge. Out here. Look at this. Nature comes and claims it all back, doesn't it? Catherine's getting in. Still looking for the lighthouse. Yeah, almost back. The park store. Oh man. Can't believe we made it back. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Okay, I gotta find Kathy. She said she was gonna come down and get in the water. Where could she be? I could walk up and down the beach to see if I can find her. Oh no, is that her out there? I see a chair, it looks like the one I'm carrying. I think she's found her a couple of friends out there playing ball or something. Yeah, I found her. What'd you find?
Over. Just feel them with your feet.
Yeah.
Look, and they're live. You can feel it. The little things.
Yeah.
Right now, this one's crawling across my hand.
Yes,
It is.
I see it. Is it killing them if we take one home?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they do need. I don't know if they need to breathe water or oxygen.
But it'll kill them if I leave it out, huh?
Yeah.
But they need.
Aw, darn.
Well. Looks like she's found. Some friends. I'll sit down for a little while. That 15-mile hike, like they killed me. Oh man. Well, I sat down, but I don't know whether I can get up. These are pretty low chairs here. And that hike's got me in bad shape. I should be back resting up. Come on now. The horizon looks kind of funky. Come on, bird. There comes some. There you go. Chew that chewing gum. You can do it. Go ahead. It won't hurt him. He's not going to do it. He's not going to do it.